Mark with Ekins Garage here. Today we're going to be talking about a 49 Ford F1 pickup truck. We painted this truck ruby red, factory Ford color. It's a tri-stage red. It turned out amazing. The truck looks beautiful outside in the sun. It just pops. So on this truck we have a 429 cubic inch big block Ford engine powering this. We got the March serpentine drive kit on it. We got the Walker radiator, cools this truck excellent. We also have a C6 transmission behind it and then a Ford 9-inch rear end behind that. So the firewall on this truck, we have a 5-inch recessed firewall to make room for the big block Ford engine. The chassis on this truck's factory frame rail. We got a Mustang II front end on it, 3-inch C-notch in the back, all coilover suspension, 4-piston polished aluminum Wilwood disc brakes on the front of this truck. We went with the American Racing torque thruster wheels. They're a classic timeless design for these old trucks. This truck has the 17s in the front and the 18s in the back. One of the key features of this custom interior truck is the wood steering wheel. I think they look really cool when it matches the wood bed. So we used Speed Hut for the gauges on this truck. It's a really cool gauge company because you can pick out everything about them. You can pick out the color of the needle, the color of the background, the letter font, the letter color, the backlighting, the trim ring, the glass. They're super nice gauges. I really like how they turned out in this truck. So a cool feature on this truck as well is we went with the suede paint on the dash on all the hard metal surfaces like the door panels. And it really makes a soft touch and a soft feel for these old steel cab trucks. One of the nice features on this truck is the vintage air unit, and we hid it underneath the console because there's not a lot of room underneath the dash of these vehicles, but vintage air makes a great air conditioning kit for these old trucks. So one of the things we do on these trucks to keep the dash clean is we hide the radio, and a good place for that is sometimes behind the glove box. So this is a factory speaker cover that we have here, and we've hidden two 3.5-inch speakers here for the front facing speakers in this truck. Painted the speakers to match the dash, kind of so they just go away, blend in. Full leather, saddle colored interior. All the panels are custom, like shaped and foamed and wrapped and sewn, and I think it turned out great. It's the perfect color for this exterior color. The headliner, I don't know if you can look up at that, like it's one smooth, continuous panel with no exposed fasteners, and it really cleans the look up of these old cabs. So a really cool feature in these old trucks is the wood bed. I love the wood beds in these old vintage trucks. We went with the oak bed in this one and did a dark stain on it. Another cool feature on this bed is we've curved the headboard to match the back of the cab. On these trucks factory, this bar is just straight and it's really close to the center, and then it's got a big gap on the ends, but this looks a lot cleaner when you match it like this. So a cool feature on this truck is we found a set of vintage plates from 1949 and had them restored to better than new, and it completes the look of these old trucks and cars perfect. So what we've done on this truck is we've got rid of the chains that hold the tailgate shut, and we went with the latch kit on the inside. It's a lot better for the truck, and there's no chains banging into the side of it anymore. Really cleans the look up. So hope you like what you saw. If you do, like and subscribe. More videos to come.